X cannot view the sensitive content. Today this video will teach you how to remove the content warning. First, please take note that you will not able to change this sensitive content setting in X app. We have to use Internet browser to access x.com. If this is the first time you log in through web browser, then you will need to enter the username and password to access. Once logged in, click the Profile button. Then scroll down and select Setting and Privacy. Select Privacy and Safety. Select Content you see. Under Display Media that may contain sensitive content, check the box here. Then select Search Setting. Under Hide Sensitive Content, uncheck the box here. All setting will be saved automatically. Done. You can close the browser now. Before you launch the X app, make sure the app has been completely closed in the background. If sensitive content is still unable to view, try restart your phone to take effect from the server sync. Okay, now you can try to search some sensitive content. It should be all visible now. Hope this video helps. If you like this type of videos, please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. I see you on the next video. Bye-bye.